Good morning. Okay, so first thing I want to do is show you a picture here. This is the box we purchased. It was supposed to be an Amazon. That they led us to believe it was an Amazon overstock, returns, open box type of thing. You get the big box, and it's a mystery package basically, and for $29 plus shipping, which was, I don't know, it came to $36.98. I don't know, the shipping and tax. Came all the way from China, I think, because it took 7 days. We bought it on the 8th of this month, and we just received it on the 15th. So that's what, 8 days? Yeah, so it took a while to get here. We thought we were buying from Amazon, but we weren't. It's just deceiving, that's what I'm saying. I got nothing against Amazon, but they're they're using their name, and we weren't very happy. But let me show you what we got, okay? First, yesterday or the 15th, we got a message. Hold on a second. My dog is crying, which means he might need to go out. Hold on. Okay, which good thing I did, because he really had to go out. Yeah, he did number one, number two. I know that's too much information, but anyway, getting back to this package. So we got this package on the porch. See it? Okay, that's what we got. All right, so this is it. Okay, little package, and what was inside was this thing. It's a smart band, smart watch, I don't know. Anyway, we come to find out, because I looked it up to see how much these things cost. It costs anywhere from $7 to all the way up to $39, I think it was. But you can get them on eBay for 12 bucks, even $7. I'm going to show it to you here on the video once I get this thing edited. And yeah, this is it. Okay. Matter of fact, I can turn it on. Let me take that out. That's the little charge. If you lose these, you're screwed, because that's what slides into this watch. And I don't know if you can see this, but it charges it at the bottom. Anyway, you can't lose this. Anyway, this is the watch. Turn it on. Okay, I'm trying to get it to the main. Okay, here you go. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that or not. It just went off. Anyway, it snaps into here. But the main thing, what I'm trying to say here, is this is all we got for $36, okay? So we were really disappointed, and we expected a big box. So I was going to unbox it on YouTube, of course, and show you all the things that were in there and get all excited and all that good stuff. But so this company, it says it was that different names. It said like Deserve the Best is one of the names, and then there's another name I forget. I'll put it up on the screen. I'll even put up the store where I got this on the screen. And then yeah, I mean, what can I say? So if you're going to buy one of those boxes, beware. Okay, we did get a refund. My wife wrote them, and I wrote them. There was 2 different addresses you could use. One's for support, and the other one is like their store. And I also went to PayPal, because that's how I paid. I went to PayPal and told them about what happened, and within an hour, 1 hour, even less than an hour, we got a refund. So I can't bitch about that. What I'm disappointed, why I'm disappointed, is because we expected a big box with a bunch of different things, and we just wanted to see what we could get for that price. But you get what you pay for, as they say. All right, well, that's all I got. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, and hope you don't make the same mistake I did. We don't need a watch. I've got a watch. My wife has a watch. And, this will take care of, it's not just a watch, but it's just like, it takes care of your heartbeat and all this other stuff that it does, the workouts and all that. It's water resistant. I guess reliable sleep information, blood and oxygen, the stress monitoring, menstrual cycle. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's all I got. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell for future videos, because I've always got something going on. All right. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you again soon.